Welcome to iTech Vista. Today, we're diving in to compare GrapheneOS and iOS, because choosing the right operating system for your phone is critical.
The demand for secure and private mobile operating systems is skyrocketing in 2025. We're facing increasing data breaches, surveillance, and privacy violations. Today, we'll delve into the key features and differences of GrapheneOS and iOS. GrapheneOS is committed to open source development, offering transparency and community-driven security. The open source nature allows experts to inspect and verify the OS's security, ensuring trust. GrapheneOS includes robust sandboxing, built-in VPN support, and strict privacy controls. It provides a minimal, bloatware-free Android experience designed from the ground up for privacy. iOS claims great privacy features, but is that truly the case? Apple hides its code, not allowing anyone to verify what's happening inside your iPhone. There are reports about iPhones selling data, and the hidden code raises transparency concerns. GrapheneOS's open source code allows anyone to look inside, see what's going in and out.
Visit itechvista.com to learn more and enhance your mobile security.